If you're running a WordPress website and want visitors to contact you instantly, no forms, no delays, just one click straight to your WhatsApp, watch this. I'll show you how to add a WhatsApp or WhatsApp business button in WordPress in under 1 minute. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. Search Click to Chat, install and activate the plugin by Homes. This adds a floating WhatsApp button and Click to Chat links across your site. From the plugin settings, go to WhatsApp number options and enter your number in international format. After that, set your call to action text, select a button style, and choose its position on the page. After saving your settings, refresh the website. The WhatsApp button will appear in the position you selected. When a visitor clicks it, they'll be redirected to WhatsApp and can message you directly. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. I'll drop the plugin link in the description. It's free. Comment, share it with your friends, and check out my other related videos. Thanks for watching.